All right. Hello, everybody, and welcome to another edition of Within the Pixels. My name is Bert Blevins, and today we're going to be looking at implementing a PAM solution. The steps involved. It doesn't need to be complicated at all. So what we're going to do here is we're going to identify some steps, and then walk you through it, and then conclude with a couple of good notes. Okay, so let's get right to it. So first off, what we're going to do is we're going to identify privileged accounts. So what that is going to be, it's going to be -A accounts, it's going to be service accounts, going to be any type of account, shared service accounts. It can be any type of account that has elevated privilege when you log in, or the user session is logged in. It's going to have elevated privilege, standing privilege. So we're going to take a look at those. We're going to grab all those. Next thing we're going to do, what you want to do with a PAM solution is you want to enforce least privilege. So again, that's going to be where I have a user account, could be my -A account with this not high standing privilege. Go into a particular server or workstation, and then what we're going to do is we're going to elevate privilege from there. So basically, coming into the session, no standing privilege, elevate as needed, either taking over the desktop with the elevated privilege, or on an application or process level basis. So next thing we're going to do is, where we're going to put all this, we're going to put it into a PAM vault, an enterprise vault. So this is not your regular password vault that you get off the consumer shelf. This is going to be an enterprise vault that's going to have all the aspects of a privileged access management solution. So we're going to take all those into effect. We're going to pull those all together into this enterprise vault. Next thing we're going to do, when a session is invoked, what we're going to do is we're going to monitor those sessions. This is very important because you may have sessions out there that are run by contractors, vendors, could even be junior admins, or even just admins in general, where you want to keep another set of eyeballs on it. So basically what this is going to do, going to give you traceability back into the session so you can replay the video. One other thing we want to keep in mind here, we can use AI to analyze the video. So if the session was lasting for 2 hours, we want to take AI, analyze the session, so we can just highlight and heat map only the active spots in that session. So you skip right to in the video. So no longer having to watch a 2-hour video, you go right to the points in the video which are pertinent to what you're looking for. And then lastly, we're going to look at audit and logging of everything, an immutable log, so nothing can be deleted. This is it preserves the integrity of the solution, gets everything. So there's a standing level set of logging available. So again, no one can go in there and delete pieces of the log. It's an immutable log file. It's going to persist with the secrets or the activity within the PAM solution. And then lastly, all these, if you take all these into effect, you put these together, you will have the foundation for a strong PAM solution going forward. So that is what I have to go with today, and thank you for watching.